Want to write a cover letter that lands interviews? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to make yours stand out. Research the job. Carefully read the job description and check out the company's About Us page. Identify keywords that will show how you fit their culture and goals. Pick a professional cover letter template. Pre-formatted designs save you time and help you look polished. Make sure your template is ATS-friendly. Write a professional header. Include your name, location, phone, email, date, the manager's name and title, and the company's address. Greet the hiring manager by name or use Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Company Team if you can't find one. Avoid generic greetings like To Whom It May Concern. Write a compelling opening paragraph. Introduce yourself, mention the position, and show why you're excited to apply. Highlight your most relevant experience right away. Prove your value in the body paragraphs. Share specific achievements, skills, and career highlights. Don't just repeat your resume. Use bullet points to make key information pop. Close with a call to action. In 1 or 2 sentences, show your enthusiasm, thank the reader, and encourage an interview. Sign off professionally, use sincerely or best regards, and skip informal closings. If you're attaching documents, add enclosures and list them. Before you send, review this checklist. Did you use a matching template, include all sections, greet the manager, and proofread for errors? Ready to get interviews? Read the full guide or start building your cover letter at LiveCareer.com.